Hello, Glam Fam. Welcome to Glam Up with Misty. For those of you who follow me, I really want to take this time to thank you for your support. And for those of you who are new, welcome to my page. I really appreciate you stopping by. My name is Misty, and I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I specialize in beauty, of course, hair, and also skin. I will be launching my online boutique. It's called glamfixboutique.com. I've been in the beauty business for more than 25 years, and I love it just for the fact that I can make a woman feel more confident, enhance her beauty when it comes to hair, makeup, and skin, and just overall presence. So much pressure and stress in the world, and I always say a woman should always look cute, always. Don't let the pressures of this world have you looking, raggedy and letting yourself go. It's no excuse. Again, I will be launching my one-stop glam shop soon. I'm hoping in September. I've been working very, very hard to find you guys affordable, yet high quality, premium, unique, rare products. Okay. Now we'll be offering fashion, some of which my own designs. We're going to have the formal dresses, the party wear dresses, professional wear, like your suits and things like that. And then you're going to have your tops, your bottom, some of which, of course, the fashion is going to be very unique. A lot of embellishments, custom designs. So those of you who are models or in the entertainment field want attire for events and things of that nature, I'll have that on my site. So there's no excuse, ladies. You gotta, step up your glam game and become a better version of yourself. You have to play the part, okay? So that's my job, The website will offer so much, including skincare. By the way, I will be introducing 2 more series of my skincare line, Tati Lay2 skincare, and then I have the Tati Lay2 cosmetics, that consists of makeup. Like literally, it's going to be a one-stop glam shop. So yeah, I'm shooting for September. I'll keep you guys posted as to the exact launch date. Also, we'll be selling wigs. Of course, I do specialize in wigs. I make wigs. I have wigs from a manufacturer and just nothing but high quality virgin hair that's cuticle aligned. Like this hair I have here is raw Indonesian hair. I actually made this wig here. It's a 4x4 closure wig, and it's very beautiful. I've had this for about 5 years, and it's still doing very well. It's so beautiful. So I have access to all types of raw hair, virgin hair. So yeah, just make sure you go into the website when I launch, and you can find lots of different variety of wigs. Also, we'll be carrying feminine care, like yoni care, to make sure you take care of your feminine hygiene, which is very important. Okay, we don't want to neglect that, okay, ladies? That's a part of being feminine, to keeping your hygiene up. Everything is fresh, because we're not going to have it no other way. Hair care as well. I do have a hair growth oil that works pretty good with consistent use. It will grow your hair if you're suffering from alopecia, balding, or thinning edges. It's going to help with that. Because I know a lot of times us ladies, we wear back-to-back braids and back-to-back weaves. It's kind of like putting too much tension on our hair, causing our edges to thin out, and sometimes balding. So you definitely need to make sure you oil your scalp and take care of your real hair underneath the wig. So that's very important as well. I did a previous video that skincare tutorial on my Organic Rose skincare, which is a basic skincare regimen for ladies who are pretty much new to skincare. It's pretty affordable, which consists of a cleanser. You have the toner, the serum, as well as the deep moisturizing treatment. Okay, with continual use and consistent use, you're going to see a remarkable difference in your skin, giving you a more radiant glow, as well as deep cleansing. Just give you that youthful appearance. That's a start. The Organic Rose skincare, especially for those who are just being introduced to skincare. Not just newbies, but also whoever wants to purchase the Organic Rose skincare. Okay, so for those of you ladies who are looking for more of a luxurious skincare line for anti-aging, I have the perfect products for you guys. I've been testing it on myself for the last maybe, I would say almost two weeks and a half. And let me tell you, I'm seeing a major difference in my skin. Again, I'm of a certain age, and it's very, very critical that women over 35 really take care of their skin to defeat gravity and reverse the aging process. Because as you know, as we get older, we lose collagen and the elasticity in our skin. Our skin begins to sag and fine lines and wrinkles, crow's feet. So we want to make sure that we kind of stop that process from happening, which is natural, but there's so many products out there that can defeat, the aging process. And I have it. Anyway, yeah, this one here, it is more of a luxury line. Again, my skincare brand is called Tati Le 2 Skincare, as well as the cosmetic line too. It's the same name, Tati Le 2, okay? It's done wonders for my skin. I really feel a major difference. Anti-aging, and I will be doing a demonstration today on it. Of course, it includes the cleanser. Then you have the spray toner. I love this stuff. It's very refreshing. And then you have the serum. These products are formulated through a biofermentation process, which helps break down the molecules to its smallest particles so it can deeply penetrate into your skin layer better and be more effective. And really just doing its job to give you that glow, to give you an even skin tone, to put the elasticity back in your skin, to replace the collagen. It does have so many different high quality, natural plant-based ingredients that's going to really, really benefit your skin. It's for all skin types, and it's good for sensitive skin if your skin is very delicate and you break out with just anything that you use. This, I kid you not, and my skin is sensitive too, and thus far I have not broken out. It's really agreeing with my skin. It's giving me that nice glow. I'm feeling more firmness in my skin and more, how can I say it? It's giving me more of a healthy skin barrier. That's the perfect word. It's making my skin feel more youthful. I'm of a certain age, so I'm trying to do anything to stop the aging process. So anyway, so for you ladies who do have mature skin and looking for something that's more luxurious, then we have the deep penetrating moisturizer. Everything is very highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. You really don't need much. So the set will last you for a while, okay? Okay, so again, we have the cleanser, which goes in to extract excess sebum, dirt that's trapped beneath your skin layer and your pores. It really does a thorough job because it is processed through biofermentation. It's going to really have easy access and really get in there and do what it needs to do, okay? Then, of course, we have the toner, which is going to give you more even tone, also give you hydration as well as moisturizing as well, okay? Again, all these products are very organic and natural, comes from a lot of plant-based stem cells and peptides and collagen and hyaluronic acid and so many other vitamins that's going to really, really make your skin very healthy and glowing and youthful looking, okay? And then you have the serum. The serum goes in there to give you that extra moisturizing protection. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. Also give you that extra skin glass glow. And then you have a deep penetrating moisturizer as well to back it up. Especially if you have dry skin, this would be perfect. These products are really formulated for all skin types. Especially if you have dry skin, you're going to see a major difference. Especially if you live like in a desert atmosphere like Arizona, even California, certain parts of the United States where it has more desert dry weather. This would be really, really great for you. Also, if you live in just any climate, it's going to just work wonders, okay? And then I've been searching too. I had told my chemist I need a good eye cream. It's so hard to find a good eye cream, especially since I'm aging. I'm noticing that I'm getting more of the dark circles in the eye bags. It's hereditary. My grandmother on my father's side had it really bad, and that's the reason why I sought after a good eye cream. Okay, so we have the first series, which is the Organic Rose Skincare, which is a basic skincare to set the foundation, but very effective as well, very affordable. And then next we have the second series, which is more of a luxurious skincare line. And these products are anti-aging and formulated under a high strategic biofermentation process that deeply penetrate and do its magic. And lastly, we have the third series is formulated for acne-prone skin, people that suffer from severe acne, as well as occasional breakouts, as well as hyperpigmentation, discoloration. Also, when the acne heals up, it leaves the scarring on your face. You know how that is. So it's going to really help with that. All of these products are diligently and carefully formulated to help those who do suffer from acne. Did you know that over 50 million people here in America alone suffer from acne? It's a huge problem. Acne, it really robs you of your self-confidence. You're embarrassed, you try to take all this makeup on to try to hide it, and you're just not feeling good about yourself. So there is solutions. I always say every problem has a solution, okay? Our job is to problem solve. And so I do have a friend who does suffer from like really cystic acne. I'm going to test the products on her. I really don't have like bad acne, but I did. She's a good candidate to try the products on. Now, from what my chemist told me, that he's getting really good feedback. So again, for the acne skincare, you do have the cleanser, the essence toner, as well as the acne gel, which is key to clearing up your acne, along with the whole skincare regimen. And then you have the serum. It's going to help put the moisture and oils back in your skin. Okay. Then you have the extra moisturizing protection. And then if your skin still's feeling kind of dry after the treatment, especially the acne gel. So what the skincare system is doing, especially the acne gel, is ridding all the excess sebum that's trapped under your skin layer, which causes acne. All that oil and bacteria mixed together is going to formulate into like pus, like inflammation. So it's just trying to combat that, okay? Works very good, beautifully, of getting rid of that excess oil and killing the bacteria off, so your skin can heal. You can heal from the inside out, okay? And after you do the cleanser, the toner, the acne gel, the sebum, and the moisturizing treatment, the extra moisturizer, and then if your skin still feels kind of dry, I do have the healing oil, okay? So this would be the last thing you put on if you still feel your skin is somewhat dry. You need moisture and oil back in your skin, healthy oils. Then you can use this too. It's very concentrated. All the products are very highly concentrated. A little goes a long way. You really don't need much. It's going to last you a while, okay? It's going to be worth the price. It's going to last you long, and also it's going to benefit your skin, creating glow, putting back the elasticity, the firmness. Overall, all three series, the Organic Rose Skincare, the anti-aging, as well as the acne-prone skincare, it's going to do wonders for your skin, okay? So give me a sec. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate. I have been using the anti-aging for the last 2.5 weeks. I'm going to do a quick skincare tutorial so you guys can see what I do to keep my skin flawless and radiant, even in my middle age. Okay, I'm back. I'm ready to do the anti-aging skincare tutorial for you guys. First, you definitely want to damp your skin or just rinse your skin. I do have a little bit of makeup on, and the cleansers will remove all the makeup, anything that's dirt, anything that's on my skin, the top layer of my skin, it will remove it. Okay. So you want to rinse your face off with nicely damp, and then shake it up. Again, the skincare is very concentrated. Okay, you go on there, massage it in. This is the truth, you guys. If you're looking for something that's more luxury, that caters to maturing, aging skin, this is a product, okay? I've been testing it on myself, and it's doing wonders. And again, it's for all skin types and for sensitive skin as well, because my skin is sensitive. And I haven't had any problems with breakouts or irritation or redness. It's really agreeing with my skin. So let me go ahead and rinse this off real quick. Okay, so then we have the serum. The serum is going to add extra moisturizing protection. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. I'm just going to pump a few drops in my hand. And just make sure you get your neck as well. These products are very gentle, but yet highly effective, okay? And then with the serum, I want to go in. I will be selling this 24 karat gold beauty bar. It vibrates to stimulate your collagen production. And while you have the serum on, you kind of go on there, and this is going to create more firmness. It's going to increase your elasticity, give you a good blood flow to help heal your skin. Yeah, this is awesome. Little beauty tool that you're gonna that you want to include in your skincare regimen as well. And also, okay, so that's that. I have this on my site as well, and then I'm gonna moisturize more. I'm almost done. Just want to make this pretty quick. Let's go up. Focusing on those fine lines and wrinkles on your forehead. It smells so organic. These products are very lightweight. You guys are going to love these products, I'm telling you. It's going to definitely slow up the aging process and give you that perfect, clear complexion and youthful look. So that's the moisturizer. And then lastly, we have the eye cream, okay? Don't need much. Just kind of dab with your fingers around here if you have crow's feet. You know, concentrate in that area here and actually go around your eye. Kind of tap it. Also, another natural remedy is cucumbers too. So there you have it. I hope you found value in this video. And remember, ladies, you can't expect princess treatment unless you look and act like a princess. In Shira's words, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Shine.